The generous baker. In a quiet forest, there was a kind bear named Benny. He loved to bake bread. Every morning, the forest smelled warm and yummy because of Benny baking bread in his oven. Benny didn't sell his bread. He always gave it to anyone who was hungry.
Bread is for sharing,
He always said. One day, a sly fox named Felix came by. He was always up to tricks.
Benny,
Said Felix.
your bread is the best. Can I have one?
of course.
Benny said, giving Felix a loaf. But Felix didn't eat the bread. Instead, he hid it under his bush. Then, Felix went back.
Benny, I am still hungry. May I have more?
Felix asked. Benny smiled and gave him another loaf. Felix kept this up all morning, hiding the bread and asking for more. Soon, Benny's shelves were empty.
I will bake more tomorrow.
Benny said. That night, Felix laughed.
I have all the bread. Benny is so silly.
He said to himself. But as Felix looked at the bread, he heard soft footsteps. It was a group of little mice. They looked very hungry.
We smell bread. Do you have any to spare?
They asked. Felix opened his mouth to say no. But then he saw their tiny, sad, and hungry faces. With a sigh, Felix gave them the bread he had hidden. The mice squeaked with joy and ran to share the bread with others in the forest. Soon, the whole forest was smiling, thanks to Felix's bread. The next morning, Benny found Felix waiting by the oven.
I want to help you bake.
Felix said.
Why?
Benny asked with a grin. Felix smiled shyly.
Because I realized that sharing bread feels good. It makes the heart feel happy and brings joy.
From then on, Felix became Benny's helper, and together, they made the forest a happier place. Thanks for watching, my friends. Like, share, subscribe and ring the bell icon for more wonderful stories. Until then, take care.